There are many business models to sell on eBay, and there are many different categories and niches in which you can sell and you can make good amount of money as well. But all the business model, for example, which I will cover in this course, is going to be drop shipping, is going to be retail arbitrage, is going to be Amazon to eBay drop shipping, it's going to be wholesale business model where you buy the things in bulk from China and then sell it on eBay as well. All the different business models have their pros and cons as well, every single one of them. But they can easily, all of them can replace your full-time job if you do them rightly. Every single one of them, despite having these flaws and pros and cons, which I will talk about how to deal with them in those particular section as well. So first of all, keep in mind, once we are just starting out, especially when you are on a low budget, gaining the momentum and gaining more and more knowledge and skills is very important. Obviously the profit is important as well, which will come eventually, but the thing is, the first focus is going to be, I need to sell the products that I'm listing, and I need to get the feedback, I need to build the sales history, I need to deal with the customer so I can gain knowledge as well. These things are important. So in this particular time, once you're just starting out, I recommend you do everything you can. Either it is drop shipping, it is retail arbitrage, it is Amazon to eBay drop shipping, and then if you have a budget, you can start in the product, like buying the product from China and then investing, buying in bulk and then selling the product onto eBay as well. So you need to combine, because we have to have that money coming in so we can add more and more products, despite with the pros and cons, which I will explain as well. The other thing a lot of people talk about it is niche selection. So shall I just sell the product which belongs to one category, one niche, or shall I just expand and sell everything? I would say in the beginning it is important to build a momentum. So anything you find, either it's a product sitting in your house and you'll no longer need that product, it's a used product, list those product, get used to taking a picture, get used to listing the product, and slowly with all that, then you will have some money coming in so you can invest in bulk and buy the products from China and then list them on eBay as well. So in the beginning, niche is not very important. You should just list anything that you think that you can make profit out of it. That's what I mean to say that. But for the longer run, sticking to niche, I think it's the better idea. But sticking to niche and finding a niche is, you shouldn't go for a niche because you think other people are making good amount of money as well. It should be something that you are passionate about. It is not one of those things like where people say you should be passionate about what you do. There are many pros of it. So for example, I sell mobile phone and accessories because I have a lot of knowledge about selling the mobile phone and accessories. There are a lot of people make good amount of money by selling the used sneakers as well, like collectible cards as well, like collectible coins as well. The reason I don't do that, because those things doesn't really excite me. I don't know anything about them as well. So once I started out, I was just listing anything. I was thinking that it's going to sell, and what happened is like slowly the money coming in, don't spend that money. Keep that money aside. Either it's coming from a drop shipping, it's coming from retail arbitrage, it's coming from Amazon to eBay drop shipping. Keep that money with you, and so you can invest in buying in a bulk from China. Of course, we will cover each and everything.